Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to my channel, Sheila TVA. It's snack time. Feeling hungry? Thinking what to eat? Very fast and easiest way to cook? Why don't you try caramelized banana? But before that, if you're new to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell, just click all so you will be notified if I uploaded another videos. And if you have comment and suggestion, just drop on our comment section below. If you like to share my blog, thank you so much for your support. You're free to share my blog. Thank you, thank you. Now start getting your ripe yellow bananas. Peel it, remove the skin of the bananas, and then we start frying your bananas. Just little fry, not deep fry. Turn it upside down, wait until it's brownish in color, and it's ready to make our caramelized banana. Very tasty, very creamy, and very nutritious snacks or merienda. Busog, sarap naman talaga. While frying your banana, just also get ready your solution, your caramelized solution. Just boil the water, then put the sugar, make it taste if it's sweet or not. Then remove your bananas in the pan. We start making our caramel sauce. You can use new pan or you can use that pan that you're using in frying. For me, I'm just using the pan I'm using in frying because I love this one hard and leftovers banana inside the pan. Then we start making our caramel sauce. Get now our solution, this one, the hot water mixed with sugar. We put it in a pan and then we mix it well, wait until brownish in color and it's look, sticky look. Then put now your bananas, your fried bananas inside the pan together with your caramel sauce. And then mix it well, mix properly, just like what you see in the video. And then your caramelized banana is ready. Your instant caramelized banana yummilicious magic. Get now your big plate and fill your empty stomach. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and bell all. See you. Mabuhay tayo.